So the hurricane effect is essentially just a bias that says after we've incurred a loss, after we've just incurred a loss and that pain is most salient, we're actually likely to try and safeguard ourselves against similar types of future losses. So this is most evident when there's a spike in, say, buying flood insurance, when right after a flood. So when it's after when they most need it, and it's actually when it's probably least likely to happen again. So it's not a rational choice, but we all do this. We protect ourselves against salient risks, those that are readily available in memory, but don't necessarily adjust for all scenarios and how likely they truly are.